what is your coaching program? What does that look like as far as, like for me, I've got myself, who I only coach a small number, but then I've got Joe that does the bulk of it as the lead coach. And I've got another coach, David. So I've got two coaches and myself that we're doing like some very small group coaching. Then we have some bigger group coaching. But you've got, but we have, I don't know, 50 or so students. We keep it pretty small, but you've got quite a few though, Blair. Is it just you? You don't have a coaching staff, or do you? Maybe I'm wrong.
You know, I actually, I've got a business partner. His name's Jeff, and he's actually got a lot more experience in the business than I do. He's been doing this 20 plus years, and we both came up under the same, initial guidance in the business. Ron LeGrand taught us to be transactional engineers. You know what I mean? And so that's what we focus on with our students. We focus on teaching them how to become a transactional engineer so that they can do a deal with any lead that comes their way. So that's the big focus of the program.
Okay, and so then you and Jeff are working pretty closely with the students on those leads?
That's right. Yeah, we actually run 5 Q&A calls every week. So Monday through Friday, we're on with our students in a small group Zoom call setting. In between calls, of course, we've got the Facebook group and Voxer access, and they can get on with our acquisitions team and everything else.
I got you. Huh. Okay. We use, because we have the Facebook group, we've got, Joe uses Slack. Joe and David use Slack, for communication and where you can upload documents and this and that with the students. And then we do just a small group